you keep walking in the woods when this little bush will stop you suddenly or out of the sudden, because you see it's full of thorns. It's a little tree of hawthorn. The berries are gone, I see, but you can still find hawthorn with the berries like this one. Wow, look at this one. It's completely loaded and full of berries. A beautiful size, I have to admit. I'll try to make a little video. You see them? You can find different types of hawthorn. They will a little bit vary with their taste as well, but they're all medicinal. It's meant to be best after the first frost, and there was first frost, I think, or there was frost last night, and it hit them. I found a couple of honey fungus. They were frozen, like perfectly preserved, so I took one cluster that was frozen, like frozen honey fungus. But now we're talking about the hawthorn. You see this tree, it's full of thorns, so be careful, but it's fantastic remedy, it's fantastic medicine. You see all these thorns, but perfect size of the berries. I'm quite impressed, guys. I'm really impressed. And you see another tree over there behind me? That's another tree of hawthorn that produced this little small one. Anyway, these are smaller ones, but they're all medicinal, as I said. Perfect to harvest now at this stage. You see how soft they are, and there is little stone which is not really edible. So what I'll do is I'll harvest few hawthorn berries and I will crush them, open them, so medicine or benefits can extract better and easier. That's the point. And I will soak them in 100 proof alcohol if I can find some, or at least 80 proof alcohol, whole grain, no flavor, just flameless alcohol. It's fantastic remedy for heart. It's heart tonic. It can interact with your heart medication or high blood pressure medication, so be careful. Check that with your practitioner, with your GP. I mean, once you're on the high medicine, high blood pressure medicine or heart pills, you should go really easy on these hawthorn berries, or just avoid them because they can really easily interact with your pills. So this actually wild berry will fix your heart, will help you with your heart, with your circulation, blood circulation. As far as I know, it's perfect for menopausal issues, high blood pressure, low blood pressure, high cholesterol. Somewhere I remember I was reading about the shape of the berry, that it would remind you of the heart. That's why it's linked with the heart as well, which is quite interesting. But it's perfect heart tonic. So you can sip on it, you can make tea from fresh or from dried berries, or you can make your sauce. But then again, go in moderation because it's powerful medicine. You can make tincture. You can preserve them in a syrup way, but what I do is I do 50% of hawthorn and 50% of rose hips, wild rose hips, and I make syrup based with honey. Basically, in the way as I do syrups, I think I launched some video there on YouTube, so you can check if you're interested. But with them, I will harvest few, and I'll make tincture, as I said, and I'll crush them in their fresher way. I will crush them, open them, and I will make a tea. You see how soft they are? They're perfect, absolutely perfect shape at the moment. Very good. Beautiful hawthorn. They are able to help you with the anxiety, or the kind of light depression issues, as far as I remember, whatever I learned. So it's I think it's worth to give it a try at least. It can't do any harm if you make tea or tincture. If you just take few drops of this hawthorn berry tincture, and if you have spring leaves or flowers of this shrub, just use it in your tincture. That's what I do. So I do combination. I do combination of hawthorn berries, fall berries, spring leaves, because they are powerful in spring, and flowers. And I gather everything and I tincture it as I go. So in the spring I would tincture leaves, spring leaves of hawthorn with flowers, few flowers, and then I'm waiting till a fall time when I actually tincture or add these berries in their fresh way into the tincture of hawthorn. Okay, so that's hawthorn berries in mid-November or nearly end of November.